How to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. This is gonna be easy fix, and you will follow the steps in this video. You will actually be able to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. Let's go start it right now. So what you want to do first, you want to open TikTok, of course. After opening TikTok, let's show you that I can go live as of right now. So what you want to do, you want to get rid of that. You want to click on me, and you're gonna click at these three little dots at the top corner. So pretty much go on this like little menu and settings, and click on report a problem. A lot of people are trying to find out how to fix their issues, and you will see like questions that get asked a lot of on this. Then right there you wanna click on live payment rewards. I would like to start a live, then uh, right there it will say that hosting live. So I will select I can't start a live, and then right there you wanna see there uh, that you need to be at least 16 years old, and all of that you wanna click on no, and then you can have a click on done, and then for tell us your feedback. So I will write here, hi, I could go live in the past, but I can't anymore. You can write what you like to write here for feedback. My friends, I'm writing as example, would love to see me go live. Thank you. Right there you can also add your contact email here, uh, and then report. So we have done, and then within 2 days from now, about 2 days, let's say 48 hours, you will actually be able to go live. I have tested this many times. I have seen many people do this and it works. Now please guys, be patient and come back in today's video. If this works, leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.